What's up guys, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing you another product spotlight. Today we are taking a look at Rockwood products. Now these guys are made right here in the USA. In fact, they're about an hour away from us, which is awesome. So yeah, let's dive into a couple of things that they make. So starting off here, they have these dash panels. Now these things are beautifully engraved. You can see the detail on there. It's just super high quality. And they have these switch guards, switch guard and covers, and then they even make stuff like these dash panel screws if you need replacements on your dash. We have chrome gauge covers here, rocker switch covers, and then they even get into some of the more niche stuff that you might not find in other places, so they're really nice for that. Here we have the T warning light bezel, as well as more chrome bezels for your dash. Now they do make stuff for the exterior of your truck as well. Here I do have a Peterbilt flame emblem. And you can see here, I mean, just super nice quality. You can see the laser etching on there. It's just really, really good stuff. They also do make stuff like grills and a couple other, high quality items. They make like dash panels. You can get a whole custom dash insert. So yeah, for other great products like these, go ahead and check out our website at biggerchromeshop.com and make sure to follow our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you.